Alright, David Harry here again, and in this video I'm going to be testing a wireless lavalier system with the Osmo Pocket. Now, what you can see right now is an extremely wide field of view, which obviously isn't coming from a standard Osmo Pocket. Maybe there's a wide angle adapter for a Pocket that could do this, but right now I'm actually on a GoPro Hero 7 Black just to do this intro sequence. Now, what's going to be impressive here is when I show you exactly what's going on with the Pocket. So the Pocket right now is recording my audio on the wireless system, but it's way over there with Gary. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to walk over to Gary. I'll like pop all this down in a second, and then I'll do a little bit of a take where I show you exactly how we've got this all set up. So let me see, I'll flip to camera A. So in this instance, I think we'll call the Pocket camera A. What do you reckon, Gary?
Yeah, or Z.
Z, yeah, camera Z, and this is camera B, I think. Well, it's definitely been camera B on some of the tests we've been doing today. Yeah, so basically what you've seen there and heard there is me starting off at a fairly considerable distance out there, starting to do the audio recording, but obviously using this as a synced piece, coming in, and then finally getting up to Gary, who's actually doing the main shot off the actual Pocket. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cut away, and we'll kind of like try and show exactly how this setup is kind of all like plugged in and whatnot. Okay, so just to explain exactly how this setup is happening, and what we're going to do is just use the internal mics on the GoPro for now. It's just going to make it a lot easier to kind of go through this setup. So the first thing is we have to set up the receiver on the Pocket itself. So as you can see here, we've got the DJI Osmo Pocket audio interface adapter there. Then there's the receiver, and what I'm using is the Rodelink wireless system. So the receiver is set up, plugged in to the Pocket, as we can see there. And then here's the lavalier that I've been using, and this is the it's the Clippy EM172 by MicBooster.com, which uses the Primo EM172 capsule. And what it is, there's the transmitter for it. So I literally had the transmitter in my pocket, as you would do when you're doing these types of things. And what Gary done, he literally had the receiver in his pocket, and he was controlling or doing the filming with the Pocket. So that's basically how simple this setup is. And it's also probably another good example of what you can do with the mic adapter now for the Pocket. So I think this makes the Pocket even more versatile than what it already had been. So what we're going to do now is show one more way of using this system, which I think is a pretty cool way, and we'll do this to kind of close off the video. Okay, so just to kind of round off this video and to show another use for this particular system, what it is, Gary, as we can see there, is now basically tracking me walking and talking. So this could be used for all kinds of stuff, ENG, interviews, all kinds of things like that. So what it's going to do is give you the ability to go completely untethered with the people or the person that you're trying to interview or do any kind of dialogue piece with. I mean, obviously it would be quite excessive to use a radio system for yourself for vlogging. You could do it if you wanted to, but you'd be a bit mad, I would imagine. But like I say, doing this is going to give you a ton of flexibility to get out there and kind of do some like serious interview work. And as another, for instance, if I just get a little bit of distance off Gary there, is that tracking me, is it? Oh, well, that's a bonus as well. Okay, and the other thing as well, in fact, we'll get another little test here. We're getting right up to a very busy main road. So we're going to see how well or not the microphone's going to pick up. It's very breezy as well. So yeah, this is also going to be another issue, but hey, we're doing this off the cuff, and it's, well, we're basically stress testing here as well, so that's a good thing. So what I'll do, I'll just hold off here a second, and I'll just look into camera and talk and stuff. So basically, I think between these 3 takes that we've done here, I think me and Gary have quite conclusively proven just how good that this system can be if you just match up a few simple components. So once again, this has been the Rode Rodelink wireless system with the Clippy EM172 lavalier microphone by MicBooster.com. I'm a little concerned because it's very, very windy now, so please don't judge this by the amount of wind that's going on. It's not our fault. Yeah, so you can get all this stuff, or see where you can get it all in the descriptions and whatnot. And also check out my playlist for all the the Osmo Pocket stuff that I do and what have you. Anyways, yeah, me and Gary are going to get off now because it's getting windy. We need to go somewhere else now. So thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.